Some people will tell you that one bike can't do it all. All we can say is, they clearly haven't tried the CROSS ALLROAD. Because this bike redefines versatility. Blending the sophisticated frame design of our CROSS series with the added functionality of full-length mudguards and a built-in rear light and hub dynamo, this is a bike that's capable of tackling everything from the daily commute to extended weekend excursions. From the organic appearance of the smooth welding joints at the tapered head tube to the low-maintenance internal cable routing and Relink-compatible carrier mounts, every detail is designed to enhance comfort, strength, durability and appearance. Shimano's slick, reliable 10-speed transmission is backed by the powerful all-weather stopping ability of hydraulic disc brakes and the comfort of a Suntour suspension fork. All roads, all weather, all seasons, all purposes, the CROSS ALLROAD is the bike for all reasons.